Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to draw some amazing creatures and other landscapes and other items, so you can draw them easily using pen and paper. Let us observe and start drawing. We start with an alpaca. So it looks like a sheep, but it has a long neck. Here we have another animal with very long neck. Who is this? Giraffe. And we can add some more flowers and other items in this picture and finally give colors, and orange or yellow colors are the best suitable color for giraffe. Here we have a mushroom shaped house, so we can have different shapes for our houses. Which shape is your house? Is it like a mushroom? Do you like to have a house like a mushroom? It's very good. So we drew a mushroom shaped house. Now we're drawing a tree, and on the tree we can draw some fruits, and some fruits are falling from the tree, and these fruits are very delicious and tasty. So if I was in this picture, I would run fast to catch the fruits and eat it. We can finally color it. Now we can draw a house again, and this might be a house similar to yours because its shape is similar to the most common shape of houses. Near to the house there is a tree, and what is there on the tree? There are some fruits. Yes, there are some fruits. And now we go to our next item, and we are adding some rainbow in this picture. Okay, and we should give color to the rainbow, and thus we have made the house and its surroundings beautiful and colorful. Now we draw the main structure of the tree, then we can add some fruits which are fallen from the tree. If the fruits is fallen from the tree, then there should be some fruits on the tree, right? So we have also drawn some fruits on the tree. Then finally we can color this item. Here also we're drawing a house, and this house has a door, and we have to add other items in the surroundings of the house. What all things will be there near the house? Some trees will be there, so we are drawing tree, and on the tree there should be some fruits, and then we can draw sun and a road and finally color it and thus finalize it.